All right, everybody, we're back. Um, they've issued a severe thunderstorm warning now for southeastern Cherokee, northern Newton, southwestern Jasper until this is going to go until 11:45, I guess, till midnight. So this is for 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail. Looks like it's just coming in on the southwest side of. Well, it's kind of just through Baxter Springs right now. So this will be coming up into the Joplin metro area here in the next, let's just time it out real quick. Yeah, in the next 15 minutes, this is going to be coming in on the east side of Joplin. So let's get this stream shared again real quick. What is going on? It's not letting me show this. Come on. Come on. Refresh. Come on. Why is nothing working? All right, hang on a second. I'm gonna have to restart this. There it is. There we go. Now we're cooking. Sorry about that. Just trying to get the stream shared again. And otherwise friends hope so. Such is life. Okay. Okay. Let's see if the other ones can share it. All right, so what do we got here? So it looks like this severe thunderstorm warning now has a tornado possible tag on it. Let's see what this is all about. Split view. Let's see. What are they seeing? So yeah, this severe thunderstorm warning has a tornado possible tag on it now. So it's going to be northern Newton and southwestern Jasper counties until midnight. Trying to see. Well, it's got to be that right there. Kind of just south of Galena. Looks like that area of rotation. Let's put it in motion, see. So again, this is a tornado possible severe thunderstorm warning. That's going to include the towns of Joplin, Carthage, Neosho, Webb City, Baxter Springs, Galena, Seneca, Granby, Carterville, Duquesne, Dunaweg, Diamond, Loma Linda, Leewood, Lowell, Silver Creek, Shoal Creek Drive, Saginaw, Fidelity, and Reddings Mill. And it looks like that area of rotation is going to be to the south side between Galena and Loma Linda. Okay. So we're going to keep an eye on that. So again, this is a tornado possible severe thunderstorm warning for all this area here. It looks like that. I mean, you can see this is the area they're watching. All right, where's my writing? This area right here. So I'm gonna gate to gate on that. It's broad rotation, at least on the velocity scan. So that's just south of Joplin. What is the speed of this one? I think I got my map bend. Okay. All right. Trying to make sure this is all shared out. So, just have your yeah, have your head on swivel if you're in this polygon area. So that's Joplin, Loma Linda, Diamond, Fidelity, Granby, all along I-44, southern part of Webb City, Galena, Baxter Springs. But that area right there is the one we're going to continue watching because it is showing a rotation signature, but is pretty broad. But we will keep an eye on that. Check this camera here. Yeah, looks like some very strong rain right there for sure. Ah, there's John right there. Let me get a screenshot of this. This is one of our mods right here. Let's see, real quick. Just a second, everybody. All right, I am back. So we're still tracking this this tornado possible severe thunderstorm warning. That area of rotation now is basically just looks like it should be crossing over 32nd Street and jumping right there. 32nd and I-49 by the Walmart. So I think they just issued a Mezzo B. Okay. Yeah, it looks like they've got severe threat of an expansive MCS in the next few hours. Yeah, I think it's going to blow out. Still quite a bit of mid-level cave. But you can see that is definitely weakening and it's a broad rotation, but it's still enough that they're, that's why they issued the tornado possible tag. See, right. check with our guy because he's driving in this right now. They are reporting pea-sized hail south side of Joplin right now currently. Oof, yeah, he's pulling an empty too. Okay, so they're continuing still with that uh, severe thunderstorm warning that runs for another 20 minutes. So it's inch and a half hail. Radar indicated inch and a half hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. But across the Skywarn chat or the Skywarn traffic, they're saying pea-sized there on the south side of Joplin. So again, it's this area right here we're watching. Even still, as the scans go on, looks like it's trying to weaken a little bit, but it's this area here that's now pushing into the east side of Joplin. I guess that's probably around the, was that around the 18-mile marker? No, it's not that far at all. Range line 2 miles south of I-44. Is that accurate? Yeah, just right over Duquesne, right in between Duquesne and Dunaweg. Yeah, so just a heads up, you're in the Fidelity, Carthage, Atlas, uh, Scotland. Kind of they're just to the west I-49. That area rotation is going to be right in that area right now. Again, they're continuing the tour possible on that for 18 more minutes. Almost got like a little Boeing effect, but kind of this little notch right here. Which that would match. So you see this little inflow here in that notch. And that right here is right where we're seeing that same rotation. So we're going to keep an eye on that right there. So that's going to be, yeah, pretty much just over Dunaweg currently. 249, just to the south of Webb City. See if we got another update yet. I want the back an hour. We'll give 5 miles. Okay, yeah, that's great. So you can see here that rotation is definitely starting to weaken, which is a good thing. We don't want it to tighten up. But if you watch over these last few scans right here, and you can see a pretty well defined separation in the wind directions here. But as it continues to push, it pretty much just eats itself. Those um, differing wind directions are starting to go away, but this is coming in pretty much on the south side of Carthage here in the next couple of minutes. What's the speed on this? 40 miles an hour, so it's not moving super fast, but if we stretch this out, let's storm track it. So we're looking at 46 minutes to Mount Vernon, hour and a half to Springfield, 1:06 to Ozark. So now that looks like I guess did they just issue a new special weather statement, or did I miss that one? No, they just issued that one too. Wind gust 50 to 55 and nickel-sized hail. Locations impacted: Neosho, Big Sugar Creek State Park, Seneca, Anderson, Knoll, Dodge, Goodman, Southwest City, Pineville, Lanigan, Cayuga, and Tiff City. That runs until it's gonna run at 10 or 12:15. $12:30. So it kind of looks like the leading edge of this system is right around the Fidelity area, just coming across Interstate 44. I'll be right back in just a second. Okay, so they're extending out the severe thunderstorm warning, but the good thing is they've not issued a tour possible on it. So I guess that's is tracking with what we're seeing, that that area of rotation is starting to weaken. Um, this one goes for 39 minutes for northeastern Newton, north or western Lawrence, southeastern Jasper until 12:30. Storm was located in a line extending from near Carterville to near Diamond to Granby, moving northeast at 40. So it's 60-mile-an-hour winds and nickel-sized hail. Locations impacted: Carthage, Monette, Mount Vernon, Sarcoxie, Pierce City, Miller, Verona, Stott City, Freistatt, Wentworth, Avila, La Russell, Reeds, Ritchie, Hoburg, and Red Oak. And that's 44 between mile markers 23 and 47. That will go until 12:30. So we will continue to watch this, see how this progresses. Man, the map there. So this looks like the leading edge now is pretty much right over Fidelity. Fidelity, Carthage, moving towards Avila. Let's see that. Slow down. La Russell, Sarcoxie, Wentworth, Pierce City, Stott City, Mount Vernon. Yeah, this storm's going to be to you in the next probably 30 minutes. Yeah, you can tell that newest scan, that's definitely dying out. So that's a good thing. So we're looking at, I think, 20 minutes to Mount Vernon. Yep, 33 minutes. I'll be coming in on the west side of Mount Vernon. Yeah, so we just got another report for our P-size sale. Okay. Doesn't look incredibly like a whole lot of lightning associated with it at this time. Definitely for a little bit. We got a few minutes before we get another update. So I'm gonna try to answer her. Check and see if anybody's got a question. I imagine everybody's probably asleep right now. That's why I couldn't hear. Sorry about that. Mike's muted. Okay, it looks like that one severe thunderstorm warning has expired. Yep, it has. So the severe thunderstorm warning that was affecting the Joplin area has now been allowed to expire. I would imagine because it's moved out of the area. But we still have this one. But again, they kept the tour possible off of that. We're still gonna watch this area here, kind of between Carthage and 44. But like I said, I think this is gonna be a one and done kind of thing. I mean, you can see right here, this is where our boundary line is. Lightning has been detected. I'm still reading 73 here at the house. But I mean, it's definitely cold air behind it. Come on, scroll. Here we go. I'll keep an eye on this one too. So it's about 26 minutes on it. We'll see. That'll tell us a lot about, um, as this storm progresses, how it's going to go. Because I mean, even here you can see it's dumping a lot of rain, but it's also in doing that, it's killing its energy. It does look like some pretty strong wind there, right around Sarcoxy, just to the south of Sarcoxy. Yeah, they're 40s. We have another 2 minutes before our next scan comes in. Buttons are pretty much gone. Looks like everything's kind of quieted down in Oklahoma too. Huh? Yeah. 40 That's pretty. Just kidding. I guess it's gonna be a All right, well, we're gonna continue watching that one, but um, yeah, probably a good time to stop the stream. So.